Why notifications disrupt your focus?
Notifications are designed to grab your attention instantly. Even short interruptions can break your concentration, making it harder to get back on track. If you're constantly checking your phone or computer, you may find it takes longer to finish tasks. Turning off unnecessary notifications is a quick way to reclaim your attention and boost productivity.
Identify what's truly important.
Not all notifications are created equal. Take a moment to decide which alerts you genuinely need, like messages from close contacts or crucial work updates. Social media, games, shopping apps, and marketing emails often deliver non-essential pings. Recognizing which notifications matter lets you keep the ones you need and silence the rest.
How to disable notifications on your smartphone.
Start with your home screen. On most devices, you can go to Settings and tap on Notifications. Review the list of apps and toggle off notifications for those that aren't essential. Some phones let you customize further, only allowing important alerts through. Don't forget to revisit your choices regularly as you install new apps.
Managing notifications on your computer.
Computers also interrupt workflow. On Windows, use Focus Assist or notification settings to silence distractions. On macOS, head to System Settings and adjust the Notifications section, turning off alerts for non-essential apps. Consider enabling Do Not Disturb during work hours to avoid pop-ups and sound notifications while you focus.
Maintaining your focus-friendly environment.
Disabling notifications is just the first step. Schedule regular times to check messages so you don't miss anything urgent. Let friends and colleagues know about your new focus-friendly approach so they can reach you in other ways if needed. By protecting your attention, you'll boost both your productivity and your peace of mind.